and today I do have part 2 of Lucy reacting to sounds, guys. Now, it has been pretty funny what's been happening. You just saw the previously on what's been happening, and yeah, it's really, really funny. She reacted so much to the Thunder and Lightning, it was absolutely hilarious. Guys, so today we're going to be continuing with it. Again, I'm so sorry that it was cut short. It's just because my dad came home and she went absolutely crazy, and then she went for a walk, and I didn't have time to film anymore. But today, guys, we're going to be finishing it off. Though before we start this video, please leave a like. Also, do subscribe. I'm so close to 50 subs. I do think we can do it by September, guys. And I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Lucy's ready, as you can see. Yeah. Turn her around, because you want to be seeing her for this video, not me. And yes, let's start in 4, 3, 2, 1. So guys, that was Thunder and Lightning again. Didn't really react to that one, we've already done it. So guys, next one is the Animal Howls and Growls. See what she likes. Doesn't seem to be. Oh, hang on a minute. We've got Sound Dogs Love all time. Oh, that is so cute. Oh. Oh, I don't want to be teasing her. Next one is doorbell ringing. Oh no, doorbell. Well, guys, that was pretty interesting, guys. So we had sounds that she doesn't like, sounds she does like. Sound puppies love to hear. Again, let's have another little look. But guys, that is now where we're going to be ending the video. She doesn't want to get down to comments. Let's get you down. There you go. So guys, if you have enjoyed, let's just let her out real quick. So guys, if you want to do more videos of Lucy, please do like, also do subscribe. Really, it's funny, guys. Please turn on my notifications so you guys, you get notified when a video gets uploaded, because YouTube's just rubbish sometimes. You just need to notify me, guys. I've been Matt, you guys have been awesome, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.